Hey folks, welcome to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a simple recipe with leftover rice, and for this recipe you just need minimal ingredients. We call this as Oggarne Anna in Kannada, and in Tamil it is called Thalicha Sadam. For this, I'll be using sun-dried chilies or more malagai. We first need to shallow fry that in 1 tablespoon of gingerly oil. And I'm going to be using only that for spicing the rice. If you don't have more malagai, you can use green chilies or dried red chilies. Then in the same oil, temper mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal along with asafoetida, and then saute half cup of onion and few curry leaves. And add salt to taste. And add 3 cups of cooked rice. You have to be a little cautious about the salt because sometimes the sun-dried chilies, they have added salt. So depending upon what you have, adjust the salt accordingly. I have added only 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix the rice well, and pretty much the rice is done. Now I'm going to crush the more malagai or the sun-dried chilies and add it to the rice. Like I said, it's the only spicing thing that I'm adding, and adjust it according to your preference. And delicious rice is ready. You can enjoy this as is, or you can serve this with raita or some papad. For more recipes, follow my website and channel. Thank you.